I will be showing you how to use JavaScript DOM to access multiple HTML elements and change their styles. So the key is like accessing multiple elements and changing their styles. So let me show you how to do that. So here I have three links. What if I want to like change all their background or like color or whatever? Or I could use this for the paragraph also. Maybe let's do the paragraph. So I have a button here saying change. So there is a button here called change styles for many elements. So that is the one that's going to work for us. Let me show you here, this one. So when I click on this, all the paragraphs text color should change. Again, we have to use the loop because we are going to be accessing multiple elements. Let's go here. Okay. So we are accessing paragraphs. So document dot get element. Let's decide on which one. All paragraphs, the common thing is the tag name. So let's use tag name method and then say paragraphs and then access them. So now we have access to all the paragraphs. Then we have to do the for loop. So let's copy some code just to make life easy. So we are going to say paras of I dot style dot color. The text color is going to be accessed by color, style dot color. Let's make it purple. So here with one function, we are able to access so many paragraphs and then change their styles in one go. See, all of them change to purple. Then let's make them all. Bolded, so the change will be more obvious there. So if you think about font weight, it is 2 words with a hyphen inside my CSS. I were to write it in CSS, but when I write it inside JavaScript, it has to be 1 word, and then we drop the hyphen and the letter following should be uppercase. So we can do that. Another thing I want to show you also is with this particular one. So we have 3 classes, 3 links with a class assigned called class A. Let's take a look at class A. So class A makes all the links to have no text decoration, color is purple and font weight is bold. But what if I also want to change the family to impact, have a padding and background color? So I have to write 3 statements to add all these changes inside my DOM, or instead of doing one by one, what I can do is I can directly assign this class on top of this class. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So we have to access the links. I'm sure we did it before, so let's just use it. See here, we did the links before. Okay, so we got all the links by using class name A. Now we are going to add a class to it. So we will say links I dot add class. Sorry, it is class list dot add. Class list dot add, and then you can say class B. Add class B on top of class A. So you can have more than one class assigned. So a class is just a logical grouping of styles. So we have one set of styles for these links. Now we want to add all these also. We don't want to do them one by one. That's the idea. So let us see if this works. Here. So change styles for many elements. So if you see here, these three links, they changed because they are having a background color now. Their text font size, their font style is different. It's impact now. They have a background color and the font weight is also changed. And also there is a padding. So if we use the developer toolbar, you can actually see that. Click on this guy here and then click on this link like that. You can see it's not only assigned class B, it has class A and class B assigned here, right here. So another way is click here and then just hover over your link. On the top, you can see inside this box, the first line says ID is link 1 and then it has class A and class B assigned. So you can also say links of I dot class list dot remove. You can say I don't want class A, I only want class B if that's your requirement. So the reason why, like I said before, the reason why we are writing classes is so we don't write one by one all the styles that we care about. So let's click on this. So if you see here, let's see. So we just removed the class A. Well, this is funky because we are accessing by class name, so I wouldn't recommend doing this. Then it's gonna like mess it all up. So let's just forget that for the time being. But just understand that it is possible for you if there is a class and you want to remove it, it is possible for you to do that. Hope this was useful to you. In the next video, I'll show you how to create some elements on the page. Thank you.